José Agustin Arrieta was born August 29, 1803, died December 22, 1874. He was a Mexican genre painter or costumbrista painter known for his scenes of everyday life in 19th-century Puebla, the city in which he lived most of his life. He was most prolific, however, as a still life painter, depicting many typical Mexican foods and dishes. Arrieta sought to recover the pictorial genre of the still life charged with symbolism, which had been very common in the 16th century before developing in the 17th century into a simple representation of nature. The Academy of San Carlos did not even include still life painting on its curriculum, but Arrieta undertook to salvage the genre, portraying exotic Mexican foods and utensils used specifically in the cuisine of Puebla. The most attractive features of his still lifes are the realism of the textures, the brilliant colors of the fruit, and the realistic rendering of glass. Although his critics have objected to the lack of any logic between certain opposing elements, such as his representation of a hieratic cat next to a chicken, Arrieta also painted portraits of several important figures in the society of Puebla, but his critics, including the historian Guillermo Prieto, have pointed out deficiencies in his handling of anatomy.